Welcome to Online GDB. I'm Devasis. Our first question, where to write your program? There are various IDs, integrated development environments. But you can also use online compiler. One of the famous online compiler, Online GDB. GDB stands for GNU Debugger, powerful tools for debugging and runs on many Unix-like systems. Online GDB is an online compiler and debugging tools that allows you to write, compile, and debug code in various programming languages, including C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, VB, C#, and more. So I suggest you better use online compiler. Now I'll show you where to practice your program online. Open your browser and type online GDB compiler. Then click on the top link online GDB, or you can type https www.onlinegdb.com. So here your online GDB. On the right hand top, just you can see language, select as per your own choice. It may be C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, C#. Okay, so you can use online compiler for various language, but here we are using C++. You can see the already available some piece of the code. It's hello world program. It's a sample program available. Now I am writing a program for swap value. Integer a, b and temp variable. A equal to 20, v equal to 50. Temp equal to a, mean value of a assigned into temp variable. A equal to b, value of b assigned into a, b equal to temp. Now I'm going to change this code. Value of a equal to cout value of b equal to here. I will not clarify about my code. Just I want to show about online GDB. Okay. Next, go to run. If I click run or F9, just click run. bottom window, you can see the result. Value of A equal to 50 and value of B equal to 20. Already I have inserted A equal to 20, B equal to 50. But here, swapping the value of A equal to 50 and value of B equal to 20. Now, if you want to debug your code, just you can click here. You can see the reading symbols from A dot out. A dot out, this is an abbreviation form of assembler output. It means that the linker and loader is reading the symbol table from file. So, no bug in code. Then I want to stop or quit. Okay. Just you can see if I change some code, I have deleted semicolon. Now again I am going for debug. Yes, compilation failed due to following error. You can see the error is semicolon between the line 20 and 21. Line 20 and 21. And error expected semicolon before C out. Before C out. So you have to write here semicolon. Semicolon. Then again I am going for debug. Okay, no error. Stop. Same as it is. Quit. Next. I'll share. If I want to share my code, just I'll click here. Share code available here. What embedded code also available here. So this link I can share. Beautify. Okay. Just have a look on the code. If I press beautify, then you can see. You can see. If I not maintain the proper space or messy type code, so you can see beautify the code by using simply press the beautify button. Next, I'm going to save my program. I'll press save. So please log in to save snippet or to your personal account. So log in with Google Plus and name of the project. All right, swap value dot cpp. Then save. You can see initially it was log in. Now it is log out. Mean already I am in my account, and if I want to see my project swap value, simply I will click on my project. Here is my program code swap value.cpp. If you want to download your code, you can download. Just click this download option. If you want to open, just click it. Open this project. Okay. Otherwise, also download option button here. You can download. Now we are going to learn very important things. If we want to make multiple files in a project, then just click on new file. I'm going to show a project with multiple files. Here is my project, and one project name is sum call function. Clicking on it, you can see this is my project name, and one file is main.cpp, another file is add.h. You can see file extension of both are defined. One is .cpp, another is .h. I have included add.h file in main.cpp, and calling a function, sum function, which defined in add.h file. Sum function defined here. Now I'll run the code. You can see the output. This line for cout some value is 30, 10 plus 20. Parameter, you can see a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. And this line for sum of the value in main function, sum value, that is 30. Okay. So you can create new file by clicking here, new file. Pop-up window is open. You can give file name and extension, then OK. Here I'll show why I have given extension .h, not .cpp, because same function name in both files. That time you will get compilation fail due to the multiple definition of same function. Also, I can't use main function in multiple files. That time you also get compilation fail. So you can see I'm going to change add.h extension, rename add.h as add.cpp. Okay. And in main function, also change the code add.cpp. Then run the code. You can see compilation failed due to following error: multiple definition of sum function. So I have to restore my code. Also rename the add.cpp as add.h. So include add.h and rename this one, rename as add.h. Again run. No error. Now you can save all the files in the project and give the project name as your own choice. Now I am coming to my project folder. Here you can see my all project name, one project name, sum call function, don't have any extension because already two file two files kept in the some called function project. This one the rename. If I want to rename my project name, okay, I can do it. This one for move. Want to move the project from one location to another location. For delete, I can delete my project. Also download, and this one same as share, embed project, and fork project. Forking a project means creating distinct and separate piece of software by taking a copy of source code from this package. Okay, that's all.